Hello friends, I hope you are fine. Today I have stylish letter A to Z. These files are in PNG and these are in watercolor styles and high definition. First I show you the resolution, property and detail. You see here width and height also are high definition. So I drag this file in Photoshop. First SHER, where are R? Okay, RI, Sherry, drag in Photoshop. Okay, create new layer, A4 size. First you can set same resolution, for example 400 and is 400 400 400 400. Okay, oh sorry, these are, and you can adjust any background or color etc if you want. So I select this, select first, create a margin line, and second margin line is here. First as I create a new layer, A4 size, thumbnail size. You can adjust any background or you can select any color. For example, create unlock layer and current overlay like this. Okay, and select margin line for same duration. Right, drag to Photoshop here and here. Okay, S and H, where are H? Okay, wow, and E. You can adjust one by one. I just use just for example, or you can more better outlooker or overlay, lightning. Second is drop shadow, multi-purpose is not normal, and here is size, color is black. Black is better, I think. Distance you can do more better one by one and increase size, and you can change color. For example, press U and you see here, and many options for color change. You can adjust here, image adjustment, selective color, and here is blue, so you can change it. You see here, green, and many options. I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care a lot.